speaker be. Only for the next side. Down the speaker. And the camera there also, so which one most important?
Representing for the team. What are them?
What up, Skylife? Mesa.
Yo. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. You done a girl make a Skylife in the building. Yo! What are them? Mama around this one. Yeah, show them, mama.
I always see your panny.
Me don't know what you on the arm.
YouTube.
Okay. So mama plant her. She plant some pepper and then grow. Mama tell them how pepper grow.
Big. Sweet pepper them big.
Me I talk about the scotch bonnet them.
Yeah, I will. Yeah.
Whole leaf.
That's me pick them up, put them
Whole
in
leaf.
the panny.
So mama plant sweet pepper now.
pepper,
How you
no.
get the plant them from?
And Natty carrying come to me this morning. I miss some, you know. So miss them in the but in a bus here.
Okay.
Natty carry them come to me this morning. Cause through me plant and the beer and me give him some. And he carry some plant come to me.
The sweet pepper where you been plant before?
Yeah. Yeah,
No,
beer.
okay.
Oh, they ain't big. So in carry and do you know me the plant? In carry them a come to me.
So you have to try to do a little bit of backyard farming. You know? So I go on now in a place. Mama saw skillet down there so. Skillet grow big go. And fresh.
Long foot cabbage.
Long food cabbage down there so.
Kalalo.
Callaloo, yeah, so. Mama, you need some more stock of callaloo, though.
Me a wally the boss man. See me plant some since morning and see them the boss they come. So me a wally for something for plant when rain fall. But to me see time look.
Like a rain go fall.
Yeah. Me no want rain
Mama
fall.
have come on for all day egg.
Me no want rain fall.
Tell them what happened to you come on for this morning.
The two chicken them. The fowl had chicken them and puss when they go eat half me chicken. And you know no.
Grieve.
Grieve. The grieve you know come well want get some chicken them. And you know. That's what
Oh,
I
that
do
one
with
then go lay, like bring chicken.
Yes, I am him when they hatchy chicken them. And them hatchy chicken and puss going them
Mama
and
little
eat them have. Me don't know how them going to cook. Me have to go plant some more sweet.
How you use on the dirt?
Where far the picker.
Oh.
Look up and you see picker carry come. Picker.
Where there? There's just
Go
a...
on there, so.
Are you fork?
Where far? Go on where you see
See fork, yeah, so.
picker.
I use on the dirt. See pick
You
up.
see picker? Yeah.
Now that you have by your side there? Gun?
Phone.
Hey!
I'm a phone. Alright, then them a catch you now. Quick time. Them beer. You understand?
Worse if the rain come down by.
I make me say me see time. Oh, me see time. Look, me don't want the rain come.
And then a
And
plant.
then no plant. You understand?
Go sprinkle little water upon them when
Yes.
they're done.
Give me picker. Alright.
Man, strong woman, you know.
So, this, see, color load them they bust them. And the long food cabbage in my plant. Me scallion.
Bad girl. Me say, me not tell no lie.
Shad, you ever see me? Me jump picker.
Pepper the on the tree, so till me have to beg mama to take them off.
Me pick them off.
Me see real life.
Me pick them off since morning.
I want next pepper tree that there now, you?
Yeah.
You fluffy?
And me pick off a ripe one.
Fluffy. Mama, come record me a dig 2 hole for you. You done?
You can't dig no wood.
Of course.
Away pan.
Which pan? A pan there, sir? Hmm?
I don't know.
Oh, it's a style I get. Where you get it from?
Oh, goat down.
Oh. Cow down.
Goat down more.
Goat,
Manure.
goat down. So that I like
Manure.
manure. I still like fertilizer. Fertilizer.
if it rain. Me da glad if the rain fall. If the rain fall,
So you add the manure for
feed, yeah, feed.
get nutrients. Let me tell you, if you care planting see banana.
You want to plant over and pen.
Over the same thing I planted.
Where? I wore down my bottom where goat pen in there.
Kelly, fresh. Mama, you know, say next time, next time people don't know. Next time I run about down there, so.
Time.
Big leaf time.
Yes.
Easy to catch.
So. Eat around a cherry head. My you say palm is sitting there. So if rain fall now, me no happy water it.
You get right, water. So, that mama do now, she go plant out the rest and then sprinkle some water upon them. Mama reap all heap of them, like pop char them. Give them away.
Yeah, man.
Whole heap of pop char, whole heap. Right in another little area, right?
You feel like we never drop? What pop char me?
And this is a coconut tree island. Check it out.
Start from the phone, we have to hold of this.
Wrong. They have no coconut tree. Don't worry for coconut tree. I'll zoom in my breadfruit tree from right there. Breadfruit tree. So those are the stuff that we have in our backyard. Growing. We're going to plant corn.
When they come on the beer and they will have down the sweet pepper, you take picture of them.
Yeah, when they grow up.
Because when they take picture, me pop chai. Me never know.
I that me forgot the guys when them beer, me go do one different video and show no. Maybe about 2 weeks, 2-3 weeks.
No man. You'll be here more.
More time?
So guys, yeah, that's a little bit of backyard farming with mama. Coffee strong. COVID wear. That lady exercise every day. Coffee good. All kind of thing. So thank you guys for tuning in on the channel. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and start your little backyard farming.